One Piece has been with us for over 2 decades. Today, I'm bringing the Grand Line into 2025, using AI to enhance this classic anime to 4000. The tool I'm using is called AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI. Now I'll show you how easy it is to use. Step 1. Import One Piece clip. Step 2. Choose preset upscale to 4000 and convert to 60 fps. And you can see the output resolution here. Step 3. Choose AI feature model. Ultra model is suitable for most of videos. Step 4. Adjust the video setting, making your video more natural. Step 5. Preview it to check if it looks fine. It looks good now. The last step. Start enhancing process. Watching One Piece in 4000 feels like seeing it for the first time again. If you're a fan of classic anime and want to relive them in stunning quality, this is the way. Check out AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI, link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.